Hey friends, if you encounter the music video error 0xc00d36b4, this item is in a format we don't support, then please watch this video. Now, most of these videos are supposed to open in the default MP4 player or default media player, which is Windows Media Player. So if I open this video, it will open, but mostly they will not. Why? Because other than the usual formats, which we call codecs, this media player does not actually support a lot of codecs. So here's one solution for all. Just install VLC. Search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Search for VLC here. Okay, in India it is not available otherwise, but you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Go to the app and click on install. It will install within seconds. Click on yes to give permissions, and then in a few seconds it will be done. Now I'll tell you why I suggest you to install VLC instead of installing codecs and all of that, because see, this is something from my personal experience. This is a way better media player than Windows Media Player, and it will be very helpful in the future as well. So just install it and you're done with it. And yes, once it is installed, right click on the media file, select open with, choose another app, and then you can select VLC from this list when it is available, and then click on always. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.